iPhone SE 4. Will it have the same old look or a new look? When will it be released? Price? Features? Let me clear all your queries. Apple's fourth-generation iPhone SE has been making headlines, with analysts confirming that it's expected to debut toward the end of the first quarter of next year, likely around March. This launch aligns with Apple's usual schedule for releasing budget-friendly options. Unlike its predecessor, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to embrace a design inspired by the iPhone 14, say goodbye to the classic home button and Touch ID, as Face ID takes center stage. The addition of a notch signals a major design shift, marking a move toward uniformity with Apple's premium lineup. Apple is also continuing its transition from the Lightning port to USB-C, which will be a welcome update for users seeking compatibility with newer accessories and chargers. Although the iPhone SE 4 will retain a single lens camera setup to maintain affordability, there's speculation that it could adopt the powerful 48-megapixel main sensor seen in recent iPhones. This would be a game-changer for photography enthusiasts. What's more, the SE 4 might introduce the action button. If true, this will make the SE 4 the most affordable Apple device to sport this versatile button, enhancing functionality with shortcuts for tasks like launching apps and toggling settings. The display is another area where the SE 4 is set to shine. Moving away from the outdated 4.7-inch LCD screen of the previous model, the new iPhone is rumored to feature a 6.1-inch OLED display. While it won't include the dynamic island seen in flagship models, this is still a significant upgrade in terms of screen quality, brightness, and color accuracy. Performance-wise, the SE 4 is expected to pack a punch. Apple traditionally equips its SE models with slightly older yet highly capable chips, and this time it may include an updated A-series processor. Additionally, the phone could debut Apple's long-awaited in-house 5G modem. While the direct benefits of this modem, such as faster speeds or improved connectivity, are still unclear, it represents a big step in Apple's quest for independence from Qualcomm. Price is a critical factor for the SE series, and the SE 4 is likely to remain Apple's most affordable iPhone. While the third-generation model launched at $429, the added features and technology may push the starting price slightly higher, potentially under $499. Even with a modest price hike, the SE 4 promises excellent value for users looking to experience Apple's ecosystem without breaking the bank. The launch event, if Apple follows its typical pattern, may occur during an online presentation similar to the one in March 2022 for the SE 3. This will offer fans a chance to see the SE 4 in action and learn more about its features. With its blend of modern design, improved technology, and competitive pricing, the iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a standout choice in Apple's lineup. Are you ready to embrace this new era of affordable innovation? Share your thoughts on the iPhone SE 4 in the comments below.